Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka, your go-to girl for makeup, fashion and skincare. If you are interested in this space, then please hit the subscribe button. Today's video, as the title suggests, is going to be about shaving facial hair. Let me start with a little backstory. This is the first time when I'm going to shave my entire face on my own, but technically this is the second time I'm going to experience this procedure, because for the first time my makeup artist asked me to shave my face entirely because wedding थी मेरी और बहुत सारे functions थे. So she said makeup flawless नहीं लगेगा, बाल दिखेंगे, इतना अच्छा फिनिश नहीं आएगा. So with my consent she shaved my face. Since then I have been curious but hesitant to try it on myself. However, it's been 5 to 6 years since I have been shaving my upper lips every 10 to 15 days because COVID made me do that. And with that being said, let's get into this. Now first talk about how to shave your face the right way. This is the exact method that I'm going to follow after so much of research, because honestly I'm so nervous and scared about it. The first step is to prep your skin. Start with a clean face. You can use any gentle cleanser to wash out, to remove any dirt, oil, makeup or skincare residue from your skin. I just took a bath, so I'm not going to do it on camera, but make sure that you do it. Then pat dry your skin, but keep it slightly damp. पूरा अच्छे से नहीं सुखाना है. Because I have washed my face during bath, अभी मेरा फेस अच्छे से सूख गया. So I'm going to use rose water to damp my skin.
Step 2 is about applying a barrier. It is important because you are going to use a blade on your face. So for smooth gliding, to prevent any cuts and irritation, use a facial oil, aloe vera gel or any light moisturizer. This will make your facial hair smoother and easy to work on. Step 3 is to use the right razor. Use a facial razor which is specifically designed for women. These have small angled blades that are gentle on the skin. This is from Sirona. It is a good quality one, and this video is not sponsored by any brand. I have used Carmese's razor as well in the past, and that is also a good quality. Both of these have gripper to hold the razor comfortably so that it does not slide while you are working on your face. Step 4 is to shave in the right direction. Once your face and razor are prepped, hold the razor at a 45-degree angle and hold it with a very light hand. Avoid long and top bottom strokes. Use short and light strokes or else you'll cut yourself. Stretch your skin while making the strokes. Now there are different ways to stretch the different areas of the face that you will see while I am shaving my face in this video. But most importantly, always shave in the direction of your hair growth to avoid irritation and ingrown hair. Also make sure that you are not doing more than 3 to 4 strokes in the same place. Be extra careful around your eyebrows, lips and hairline. As you can see, I literally have facial hair like a bhalu. I am now, after shaving, looking like a chila hua anda, and I'm super happy with the result that I've got. And it's done, but only the shaving part, because post care is equally necessary, which is a step 5, rinse and hydrate. So I'm going to follow a proper skincare routine, but if you're not interested, you can just use your moisturizer and wait for at least an hour before applying your sunscreen, because sunscreen can cause some irritation on shaved skin.
Now I'm going to rinse my face with cool water. You also do the same and pat dry your skin, but this time be extra gentle because you have just shaved your face.
Once you have rinsed your face, start with some toner mist, or the best is rose water. I'm using the Natural Wash rose water. It has been my OG toner. Splits a generous amount, guys. Don't shy away. I will now follow up with a mild serum that is completely optional. I am using Dr. Sheth's hyaluronic acid Do not use any strong or potent serum like retinol, vitamin C, or even niacinamide also cause irritation on shaved areas. Hyaluronic acid or vitamin E are, I believe, are the good two options. Lastly, apply a soothing moisturizer or aloe vera gel to calm your skin. I have this simple lightweight moisturizer. It is very soothing and cooling on the skin. Again, guys, use a lot of it because your skin really needs it.
So that's exactly how you should shave your face at home. I hope you find this helpful and easy to understand. Still, if you have any queries regarding the procedure so far, you can leave them in the comment section below. I will definitely answer them. Now, lastly, here are some quick tips that you should follow while shaving your face. Basically, the do's and don'ts. So the first do is always sanitize your razor before and after use. Use a fresh razor to avoid any irritation or infection. Moisturize your skin after shaving always to keep it hydrated and calm. Try to shave it in natural light or under good light to better visibility. And lastly, do it peacefully with time. Do not rush because you don't want to hurt yourself. Now let's discuss the don'ts also. Do not use your body razor on your face because that is too harsh for your facial skin. Avoid shaving on dry skin because it can cause irritation. Do not press the razor too hard on your face, let the blade do the work. Avoid shaving on pimple, acne, cuts or any kind of irritated skin. Do not use any potent skincare ingredient before and after facial shaving. Avoid chemical exfoliation before and after, at least 2 days before and after facial shaving. Do not wear makeup for 24 hours, but if there is any emergency you have to wear makeup, then you can at least keep 3 to 4 hours gap. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Facial shaving is such a simple and effective procedure to keep your skin smooth and makeup ready always, but do it only if you want to do it. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you do not miss a video whenever I upload it. Let me know in the comment section if you still have any queries or questions about facial shaving. I will definitely answer those in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay glam, stay you, and take care of yourself. Bye. Namaste.